Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw money from Telegram wallet. Basically, you cannot directly do that from Telegram wallet. What you need to do is at first head over to send and then click on external wallet and then tap on dollars, and then we're going to choose TRC20 for our network address. It might be different for you. What you want to do is head back into Binance, click on deposit crypto, and you're going to search for USDT, this one, Tether, and then we're going to search for TRC20 or choose whatever was your, what do you call it, network back there. You want to copy it and then head back, paste it over here, and there you go. Once you've done it, you can just sell that from your Telegram wallet, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.